ang gaganda pa ng mga ano nila, oh. Masyadong malinis. Maganda siya, kaso nga lang, walang tumatambay dito. Every Sunday pumupunta ako dito. Wala siyang tao. As in, marami dito mga pagkain na ganito. Kaso nga lang ang problema, ayaw nila siguro dito. Hindi pa nila alam. Hi guys! Ito yung mga dinada. Maganda siya. Saan ka sa atin? Sa Ormoc. Taga Ormoc siya. Nakita kami dito.
Saan ka ka?
Dito.
Hindi, saan ka ka? Saan ako dito?
So ito, tatawid kami ng pagkahaba-habang tawag dito. Hindi naman siya mahaba as in.
Magdala ka ng tubig na extra sa mga bata na ka.
Weh. Ito yung woodland pag Sunday. Pero ganito lagi araw-araw. Ganda lang. Kasi ang init sobra. Ganda. Ito yan sa... Ito, matagal na yung lagi. Dito ako dadaan. Yan. Magpakuha kami ng picture. Hello, baby. Hi. Ang init, grabe. Nagpapawisan na. So, akit tayo ng escalator. Ay, ang init.
Wow! Picture ko sa inyo dito yung sa wood. Waypoint. Wow! Okay. Hi guys. This is the woodland. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito sa place natin. Kaya kung pupunta kayo dito, napaka tahimik ng place dito. Kaya invite ko kayo dito pumunta. It's kind. Bye! I saw myself taking a video. Wee! Lapitan na sa sarili ko. Hi guys, andito na ako sa Woodland. Narating ko na yung destination ko. Naglalakad na ako as in from my workplace is only 20 minutes. Uncle very hardworking person. He's a Singaporean.
Yes.
He's working here. Yeah. You know the Philippines, uncle, like your is no work already. So I interviewed uncle about his experience because in Philippines, like this age cannot work anymore.
Yeah,
Stable.
Malaysia also no. My age 72 still working. Malaysia 60 okay, no stop already. No working.
No working?
Doesn't give money. No,
I see.
no.
But-
Singapore must working.
Yeah, but in
Singapore
the
no support one.
but in my country, Philippines, like your age, stay home but very little money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but here in
But Singapore is support little bit Manila. 1 month around 100 something or 300 something.
I see.
Is support
what's your name, uncle? What's your name?
Muhammad Amin.
Yeah, he's the smiling face. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm working here 8 years from my boss, my previous. Now I'm new here, new boss, 4 months.
Filipina working nurse.
Yeah.
Got
That's why I tell my
education. They got
I tell my,
education.
my relatives because I have niece, she's nurse already, registered nurse. I tell her apply in overseas is good, but she need experience, one experience there or 2 years experience.
Yeah.
She need.
Some meet one.